The cloud coins provide a theoretically perfect global currency that cannot be counterfeited, double spent, mined or lost. All the exchanges are 100% private, requiring no public ledgers, accounts, or even encryption. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video I am going to tell you each and everything regarding the RIDA technology and also about the cloud coins. Basically RIDA is not a blockchain, it is a new form of the blockchain, or you can say a new form of the digital currency. Basically at this time basically RIDA is offering not even any type of altcoin or coin, basically offering in the whole coin market cap, not any type of the main cryptocurrency is basically giving those services to their customers, which at this time RIDA technology is giving away. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update. First of all, what is RIDA all about? RIDA is the redundant array of independent detection agents. RIDA has data supremacy like blockchain, meaning it cannot be brought down, controlled or manipulated. Yet RIDA is faster, more secure, totally private, more energy efficient, quantum safe, and is scalable to the entire world's population. RIDA does what blockchain simply can't do. It is a provisionally patented next generation system on a global scale. That is basically the main theme of the RIDA tech. I am going to tell you regarding the cloud coin in this video, but first of all basically it is my duty to tell you each and everything regarding the whole idea behind the cloud coin. So that's why I basically elaborate each and everything regarding the RIDA first of all, because the cloud coin, now I'm going to tell you the main key feature of the cloud coin that is entirely interesting. RIDA Tech, the owner of the technology upon which cloud coin is based, has had its patent method of authenticating and exchanging virtual currency issued by the United States Patent and Trademark Office. The Cloud Coin Consortium has been granted irrevocable rights to use RIDA technology. This is very good news for the cloud coins because it means there will not be thousands of copy coins and crypto clones. Currently thousands of cryptocurrencies exist, but they all use blockchain technology. Only Cloudcoin will use the new patented RIDA technology. That is basically the key feature, that it is a unique thing, that every altcoin and every coin is using the same thing, that is basically the blockchain, BTC, Ethereum, everything. I'm not going to mention the name of all the coins and tokens, but most of them are using, even the whole of the cryptocurrency market is using the same thing, that is basically the blockchain. And only one coin will be there very soon, the cloud coin. Here you can see basically the cloud coin is the only one which is going to use the RIDA technology. Now I'm going to tell you the major thing regarding the wallets. Cloudcoin wallets are live at this time. Developers announced that the final 3 version Cloudcoin wallet is scheduled to be released now. The software includes Sky Wallet, a trusted transfer technology that allows users to send and receive coins without any risk of transmitting counterfeit cloud coins, thereby avoiding the assertion of false claims. Users do not have to provide any private information to send money. No accounts, registration, or passwords are required. That is basically the key feature of the cloud coin. If you want to earn the cloud coin at this time they are offering you can say a best thing for all the users. At this time we are giving away a total of $1,000 worth of cloud coins in our upcoming 5 episode Emma series. Participants who will ask the best questions will be rewarded. Emma means ask me anything. People can ask anything related to cloud coins and also about the RIDA technology. The president of Cloudcoin Consortium, CN Worthington, will attend the Emma session to answer your question. 10 lucky participants will be rewarded with $200 worth of cloud coins in each episode. That is a total of 20,000 cloud coins. To participate in the Emma, send your questions in our Cloudcoin World group at Cloudcoin World with the hashtag AskRaida or AskRaida. For example, if you want to ask anything in the live Emma, and if your question will be interesting regarding the Rida or regarding the cloud coin, then definitely you are going to win $200 worth of cloud coins. So here comes each and everything, and if you want to download the wallet, you can easily download the dark wallet directly from here in your personal laptop or computer. In my next video, I will definitely tell you that how you can use the wallet of the Cloudcoin and how you can save your CC coins directly in your personal wallet. That is such a great thing regarding this coin. And in the last but not the least, I will also tell you the way that how you can create your own email address that will be 100% in your hands. The whole thing will be in your hands. So I will definitely share regarding these things, regarding, you can say, all the things regarding the Cloudcoin very soon with you. So if you like this video, kindly hit the like button, and also you can see each and everything, the media partners of the Cloudcoin. And also if you have any type of questions, you can even ask to the team, because the team is available for you 24/7 and they are going to answer each and every question of yours.